Welcome to Healthy Talk. I'm Dr. Julie Weaver. I've got some good medicine for your soul. Today, a simple exercise to help build up your power to choose. The next time you catch your thoughts and words wandering around in those desolate places of accusation and anticipating the worst, before you devote too much time, energy, or emotion to working out these worst-case scenarios, just stop and remind yourself that you have absolutely nothing to gain by expecting the worst, and nothing to gain by focusing on what is or what could go wrong. Well, except for maybe anxiety and fear. Keep in mind that your ability to stay in the game, to succeed, even to win, no matter whether you get a good hand or a bad, has everything to do with how you choose to think about what you've got and how you believe you can use it. I'm Dr. Julie Weaver, reminding you to stay in the game, tell a friend, and stay tuned for Healthy Talk.